What is going on, guys? I hope you are all well. This is going to be a part 2 to the sales analysis video. I uploaded 2 videos back. So grab a pen and paper and make some notes. Okay, so to start off, in the last video I explained that I bought that vending machine at £2,100 and it was doing £300 a month. I won't pay that right now. That was just when I started, so I didn't really know much. But yeah, so that's how much it was doing, £300 a month, and I paid £2,100 for both the vending machine and the card reader. So how I would split that, it was probably about £1,800 for the machine and £300 for the card reader. Split that however you want, but that's how I split it. So what I would do is I would run reports each month. I would run reports for on Nayax it's a sales summary, so I would run a sales summary for each location each month, for 30 days or 31 days or however long the month is, and that report would tell me how many Cokes, how many Snickers bars sold in that period, and if the person paid by cash or by card. So that sales summary on Nayax is really useful. And it would also tell me how many vended, so I'd be able to filter it from the top selling snack to the least selling snack and drink, etc. So it still is informative. It really helped me see which ones were selling, which weren't. So what I would do then, let's focus on the snacks for now. I would take the least selling snacks, top 3 for example, each week or every 2 weeks, and I would swap them out for something similar to the top 3 selling snacks, and then I would just trial it every 2 weeks. Same with the drinks, same exact thing with the drinks. I'd take the least 3 selling snacks and take it from the top 3 selling drinks, and then make them similar, if not the same, and then keep doing that every 2 weeks, and then eventually I will see a growth in sales. But also on the side of doing that, I would also ask people at the location what they liked. I would get approached by people as well. Can you put this in the machine? Would you be able to get this? Would you be able to get that? So that's also a way of knowing what people want in the machine. But then for like top selling products such as Coke, what else have I got written down? Like Coke Zero cans, Coke Zero bottles, Coke bottles, Coke cans, especially for this specific location. I would keep track of how long it take for them to sell out. Now, I could do this at the start of my business because I had the time to do it. Right now, I don't have the time to do it because I've got so many machines. So what I would do is I would keep my eye on it. It seems really, really sad keeping my eye on it, but it made it go from £300 to £1,500 doing now, so it was worth the time and effort. So I keep my eye on it, see how many days it would take for that specific row to run out. So say if I put a row of Coke in and it sold out in a day or a day and a half, I know to put another row of Coke in because I'm only going there every week. And then eventually it got busier and busier. I'd have to put another row of Coke in, and then it got to the point where I would do that with multiple items as well. It wasn't just Coke, but it was mainly drinks. It wasn't really anything else but drinks. But then it got to the point where I couldn't do it anymore. The machine was at its full capacity, size-wise. So then I had to bring in another machine and get rid of that machine. So now I've got a bigger combo machine. So now I've analyzed it that much that I've got 6 rows of Coke that sell out every 3 days, because now I have to go 2 times a week. I've analyzed it that much that I have to go every 3 days, and pretty much all the drinks sell out every 3 days, and the snacks are steady sellers, which is fine with me because my drinks are more profitable than my snacks. So I would rather be selling more drinks than snacks, because then I'm making much more of a profit selling more drinks anyway, so it makes much more sense to me. doing that. So yeah, that machine is one of my favorites. Now, what I could do is put another machine in and just have a snack machine and a bottle machine. But I personally know I don't think the snack machine would do as well as the bottle machine. So I think I would just wait a little bit longer, see what happens. I'm fine time-wise to keep doing the 2 times a week. I would like to eventually, when my business gets even bigger, put another machine in there and, you know, grow it even more, because I think it could be pushing a little bit more money. But right now I think it's not at its cap, because it could definitely be doing more a month, especially with the snacks. But with the drinks at the minute, it's definitely at its capacity, not capability. Jesus, I'm at my capability right now. It's definitely at its capacity with the drinks, because when I get there, every 3 days is sold out. So either I have to go more for the drinks, or I need to get another machine. But right now, my main aim is to just stay with them 2 days on routine until I get more time and more funds to get another machine, because right now I'm just growing my business site-wise. I also want to state that some of the snacks and drinks in there have been very bipolar. So I will put a snack in there and it'll sell out, and then a month later no one will buy it. And same with the drink, I'll put a drink in there, it'll sell out, or it'll be a steady mover, and then nothing, I won't get anything from it again, and then I'll have to switch it out, which you'll get with majority of machines. But it's just the way it is. But I really enjoy steady movers, especially with the drinks sometimes, because I don't like to be fully sold out of drinks, because that's when I start getting complaints and getting told that I need to go more. And right now I don't really want to go more, kind of like the way it is. So having those steady movers is always a good thing. Having a machine sell out every 3 days isn't always ideal when you don't have the time to go any more than that. So recently I've grown the business so much, I've not had the time to put this much effort into every other machine. If I had the time and effort to put this much effort into every other machine, I'd love to see how much more money my vending machine business would be making. But yeah, if you do only have a few sites, it's definitely worth doing, because this did take over a few months. It wasn't just like a straight thing. I think it probably took me about 6-7 months to do, but from getting it to 300 to 1500, now it's doing a steady 1500 probably for the past 4 months, is definitely worth doing, taking the time to spend 7 months doing it. And it was a gradual increase, so it probably went from 300 to 500 to then 700, and then so it gradually went up. It wasn't just like a boom 15, do you know what I mean? It was gradual. So it was, you saw the vision, and you saw the, what's it called, you knew it was getting there, so you saw the light at the end of the tunnel. So yeah, it was worth it. But yeah, so I definitely would recommend spending time, if you've got it, to do that. But yeah, now I've got more machines, I definitely can't baby them the way I did with this one. This one's still probably my favorite, because I did baby it so much. And touch wood, I don't think I'll ever lose it, because they're so obsessed with this machine. But yeah, I think with the other machines I will do the same, but over a longer period of time. And when my business does get bigger, it's something I'd always want to be involved in, is the sales analysis side of it, or at least get someone that can do better than me. But yeah, getting a vending machine from doing so much to almost 3, 6, 9, 12, 5 times the amount, I'm very proud of it. So yeah, if you put the effort in, you get the reward. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. But yeah, I don't know what the next video is. probably a cash collection because everyone's been asking me for that. But yeah, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. But yeah, peace.